Did you know over 90% of all data in the world was created in the last 2 years? But guess what? Only a small fraction of businesses are actually leveraging that data to make informed decisions. That's where AI powered business analytics tools come in. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful AI tools that are revolutionizing how business analyze data, uncover insights, and make smarter decisions. Let's dive right in. Start with Tableau, a name you have probably heard if you are into data visualization. But what makes it shine is its AI driven analytics. With features like Explain Data, Ask Data, and Einstein Discovery if you are using it with Salesforce. Its key features include drag and drop dashboard builder, predictive modeling with integrated AI, natural language query system, and strong community and tons of integrations. Now, let's view its pricing plans. As you can see, it has one simple plan, one enterprise plan, one Tableau Plus plan, also Tableau Creator, Tableau Explorer, and Tableau Viewer plans. In the simple plan, you get their comprehensive software package to help you be more data driven. With the enterprise plan, you get their advanced software package to help you explore and manage data faster. And with the Tableau Plus package, you get their premium package to help you bring AI powered analytics to every corner of your organization. Now, with the Creator plan, you get the rights to discover insights with a powerful suite of products that support your end to end analytics workflow. With the Explorer plan, you get to explore trusted data and answer your own questions faster with full self-service analytics. And with the Viewer plan, you get to view and interact with dashboards, visualizations in a secure and easy to use platforms. But please remember that to get any of the plans, you get to contact the sales. And if you contact them, you will get to buy any of the plans that you want. Next up is Polymer, the most beginner friendly tool on the list. It's designed for people who don't code, and it automatically transforms your raw data into interactive dashboards. Its key features include no code dashboard, Google Sheets and CSV integration, automatic data sorting and clustering using AI, and great UX, simple clean visuals. Now let's view its pricing plans. As you can see, you can get 3 paid pricing plans. And those are Starter, Pro, and Teams. The Starter one will cost you $25, Pro one will cost $50, and Teams will cost $125. With the Starter one, you can use one editor as the user. And you get all data connectors, one account per data connector, automatic DD data syncing, 10 Polymer AI chat responses, custom branding, custom metrics, one custom template, and also help desk support. With the Pro plan, you will get one user and data like all data connectors, 5 accounts per data connector, automatic hourly data syncing, 20 Polymer AI chat responses, custom branding, custom metrics, and 5 custom templates. Also, email support. And with the team plan, which will cost you $125, you get data like all data connectors, 15 accounts per data connector, automatic hourly data syncing, 30 Polymer AI chat responses, custom branding, custom metrics, and unlimited custom templates. Also, Slack channel to get support from. But as you can clearly see, the Pro plan seems to be more budget friendly and useful for everyone. So I want you to choose your plan carefully. Now, it is Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft's golden boy in the business analytics world. If you are already using Excel or Office 365, this one's a no-brainer. You get to use the features like seamless integration with Microsoft Suite, AI visuals like key influencers and Q&A, drag and drop dashboards, and advanced modeling with DAX. Now let's visit the pricing plans. As always, you can get a free account for Microsoft BI, with which you can create rich interactive reports with visual analytics at your fingertips for free. But With the Power BI Pro plan, for which you'll only have to spend $14 per month, you get the access to Power BI reports, share with you, and publish your own for an even bigger impact. With the Power BI Premium per user plan, you get license-specific users with enterprise-scale features. And for that, you will only have to spend $24 per month. And for the Power BI in Microsoft Fabric, you get to share reports with users who don't have paid licenses and get access to Microsoft Fabric workloads using a single capacity. But the pricing will be variable and you'll have to contact the sales teams to know about the pricing. But as you can see, the Power BI Pro plan will be more budget friendly for everyone's need. Now here is a Qlik. If you are looking to actually predict business outcomes, think revenue, churn, conversion, then Qlik is your best bet. It's all about machine learning for non-data scientists. Features like no-code machine learning, real-time predictions, use cases like marketing, sales, finance forecasting integrates with Zapier, HubSpot, and Snowflake will be included with this website. Now let's view its pricing plans. You get Individual User AI Analytics Suite and Enterprise AI Analytics Platform. With the individual plan, you get the platform access with basic tools and workflows, standard template library, and online support. But with the enterprise plan, you get full platform access to all of Qlik's domain-specific agents for every area of agency work, advanced unlimited customizations and integration capabilities, enhanced security with compliance features. But please remember that you can only get a plan if you contact the sales team and talk about the budget. They will definitely help you out to choose a plan. And finally, 9. A free open source platform that's surprisingly powerful. It's like Lego for data analytics, and you just have to drag and drop nodes to build complex workflows. It includes features like visual programming interface, huge number of integrations, real-time machine learning models, great for deep dive custom analytics. Now let's view its pricing plans. It includes one personal plan, team plan, basic, standard, and enterprise plan. The personal plan will always be the free one for individual members. The team plan will be for the small teams and it will cost $99 per month. For the basic plan, it will be for small teams with business needs and it starts at $39,900 yearly. The standard plan is for teams deploying mini solutions and it will cost around $71,250 yearly. And for the enterprise plans, you will have to contact the sales teams. Now, for the free plan, you get browse, download, and share workflows and components with the community. You can store workflows in private spaces, collaborate with others, and see version history of workflows and components. The team plan will include browsing, download, and share workflows and components with the community, store workflows in private spaces, centralized billing, version history of workflows and component, and more. The basic plan, you get to include a single team and get the features for the single execution context, enterprise authentication via LDAP or OIDC, create, store, and use secrets securely. With the standard plan, you get supports up to 3 teams, collaborate with other teams through shared spaces, unlimited data app and REST API, access for consumers, advanced permissions management, unlimited execution context, and highly available deployments. So you can choose your plan according to your need. So here's the final rundown. Go to Polymer if you want stunning dashboards without coding. Go to Power BI if you need enterprise power at budget price. 9 is for you if you love flexibility and open source. You can try Qlik if you are serious about predictions and machine learning. And Tableau will be your guy if you want the ultimate combo of design plus AI plus enterprise scalability. I wish you happy journey ahead. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.